Hi there. So let's say that you've put in the work, creating a pitch, getting your story in front of journalists, maybe even landing some coverage. But then you check your website metrics and nothing. No boost in traffic, no SEO lift, nothing at all. Now, it can be frustrating, especially if you've been told that PR and SEO go hand in hand. So today we'll cover a few reasons why PR campaigns sometimes don't help SEO and what you can do differently to make sure that your efforts actually makes a difference. So reason number one, links don't pass value. Sometimes your coverage comes with no follow links or links from low quality sites. Even though your brand is being mentioned, search engines don't treat all links equally. Some might not actually help your site's authority. So the solution here is to pitch to credible publications and focus on stories that naturally include high quality links back to your site. Reason number two, weak or irrelevant content. So a story might mention your brand, but if it's generic or not tied to your website content, search engines may not see the link as valuable. For example, if your product is mentioned in an article about a completely unrelated topic, it won't help you SEO much. So the solution is to create stories that directly relate to your brand, to relevant topics, making the connection clear for both readers and search engines. Reason number three, overly promotional stories. PR campaigns that feel like ads often get filtered out by journalists. And even if published, readers and search engines may ignore them. Search engines can detect patterns of overly self promotional content, reducing the perceived value of any link or mention. One solution is to focus on storytelling, insights, or data driven content that adds value beyond just promoting your brand. Reason number four, missed technical opportunities. Sometimes links aren't properly implemented. Maybe they're buried in images without alt text, broken or hidden behind redirects. Even great coverage won't help SEO if search engines can't crawl or follow your link. A solution here is to check how links are added to articles and provide journalists with clear URLs whenever possible. Reason number five, the source doesn't carry authority. So even if your link, or let's say even if you get a link, a mention on a website that's little known, low quality, or unrelated to your industry won't give your site much SEO benefit. So it's not just about the link itself. Search engines look at where it comes from and how trustworthy that source is. A solution here, which is similar to a previous one, I think reason number two, is to focus your PR efforts on publications that have credibility and influence in your niche, even if it's smaller but highly relevant. So that works as well. And then reason number six, not optimizing the anchor text. Now, anchor text that are generic, like click here or just your brand name, doesn't provide context to search engines about what your page is all about. The solution here, where possible, suggest anchor text that naturally describes the linked page topic without being spammy. So PR and SEO are connected, but not every campaign will automatically boost your site. By focusing on high quality coverage, relevant content, credible sources, proper link placement, and smart anchor text, your PR efforts can start delivering real SEO value.